Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a strong node once you've already bought them and they're in your MetaMask. So first you want to go to the strongblock.com website. Once you're there, just click on create your node now. Then on this page, click on connect wallet. Then click on here, open with MetaMask. Click here. What this is going to do is it's going to open your MetaMask and it will ask you if you want to connect to the site. Just click on connect and it will show you a notification there that you've connected it. So go back to your browser and here you can see that you can create your node. At the moment we have 0 nodes, so just go down here and click on create your node. Then that will ask you to select your node protocol to continue, so we're going to select Ethereum, and then you have to give the node that you're creating a name, and then once you're done with that, you just have to read all this and agree to them. Go ahead and click approve strong. Once that's been approved, you can then click on create Ethereum node. This is going to take you back to MetaMask so that you can confirm the fees that you're going to pay. As you can see, it's quite expensive. We have to pay £38.46 for this transaction. So if you're happy with that, just go ahead and click on confirm. Waiting for transaction to be confirmed. And that's been confirmed. Your transaction has been sent through. And if you go back to your browser, it says node submission received. That means you've created your node and it has been received. And basically it's going to let you know that the node might not appear immediately and that you should wait for at least 30 minutes or more. Read the rest, and if you're happy, just go down here and click on I understand. And as you can see here, you've already created your node because it's saying that you have 1 out of 100. Now let's go back to our MetaMask and see if our strong is there. As you can see here, we still have the 10 strongs, so that means the transaction is not completed. So this is 10 minutes later. I've come back to my MetaMask wallet, and as you can see, I do not have any strong on here because I've already created a node on the website. And guys, don't forget, on the website, on your right side where the node is, there is something that's in green here. It says due in 30 days. So that just tells you have to pay a fee every 30 days. So you can pay it in advance for 3 months, but you cannot pay for more than 3 months. So always remember, if you don't pay this fee, your node could disappear or will disappear. That's it guys, thank you for watching. If you've liked my video, please show me your support by hitting on the like, subscribe to get those notification bells.